Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a quick birthday eye tutorial on the Tarte Pro Remix. My sister got this for me over the Christmas holiday, and since I'm actually meeting her for brunch today, for my birthday, I wanted to do a quick eye look. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial because I'm already running late, and then I will go over my thoughts very quickly at the end. So I already prepped my eyes with the usual, which is the Urban Decay Potion Primer. And then I'm going to go in with this light color and just buff that up on top. And I kind of want a sharp look today, so I put some tape on this side. I just laid some on top. And then I'm going to take this brown color here, take wall art, and just start buffing that into my crease. Today is my actual birthday, but you probably won't see this video for like 3 weeks or a month because I have filmed quite a few videos that I want to get up first. So by the time you see this, my birthday would have come and gone. I wouldn't mind uploading it in my birthday month, we'll see. And this is blending out really, 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 really smoothly. This is really nice. This transition shade I thought was gonna be too light. I haven't decided what I wanna do. Do I wanna do that? Do I wanna be that bold? I don't know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna go for it. I need a smaller shader brush. And I am going to take that color, this blue one. This is Artist. And I'm going to start packing that along the edge. And then I'm gonna go into like this orange color, pop that in the center. Let's see if it does pigmented. Oh yeah. Like I haven't used any fixed plus on these at all. I'll take that same brush because it's really nice and small. This is just an Eco Tool brush, and I'm gonna go into this graffiti color right here, this like burgundy color. I'm gonna pop that along the edges. This one I'm going to try wetting. It's not as intense as I would like it to be. There we go. And I don't know what I'm, like I just started to pull colors from my shirt and did this look. I'm just going to take like a pencil brush and kind of get back into the center and just kind of I'm going to go back into, it was this color. This is called Mic Drop, which is actually, I don't think I said that name. And I'm gonna go back in the center, but I am wet at this time. You don't really need Fix Plus with these. just so that they stick even more. Okay. Then I want to go back into that transition shade and just kind of and then I am going to take a little bit of the black and just kind of do this corner, deepen it a little bit for a little bit more depth. And I am just tapping it. I don't want it to be too black. I just want it to be a little bit darker than that transition shade. And I'm just kind of bringing it up. I haven't decided if I'm going to do lashes yet. I kind of don't want to. But that is the quick eye look. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the center is more orange and then the side is like this burgundy color. I think I want to deepen that just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back into graffiti and just take a touch of that purple graphic color and see if maybe that will deepen it. Just so you can see that transition a lot nicer. Today, like I said, is my birthday. I'm gonna go do brunch. My sister's cooking me brunch. And then we'll probably watch a movie, do something until we have to go meet for dinner. All right, I am going to finish off my face and liner, and I will be right back. Hello? So I'm trying to leave here in like 15 because I've been looking at the wrong clock. All right, guys, I'm back. And I had to do everything off camera because the time changed. And I've been looking at the wrong time like an idiot. And then my sister called me and I'm late. So I will have everything that I finished this look off below. I will also have the price of the palette here. I do believe it's permanent. I do think it's still available. I like this palette so far. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shades in this palette. Some are, you know, little touches and accents, but everything blended out really nicely. Everything's very pigmented. So I don't have a lot of Tarte palettes. I own 3, but this is the second one I've actually tried. The other one I haven't dipped into yet. But so far I'm liking it. I also wanted to do this palette because I am an 80s baby. I was born in 82. And this just has a very 80s vibe to it. I don't know if you can see that. I'm really happy with this palette so far. So I know this is a very quick video, but some people might like that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like me and haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed and click that notification bell so you know when I upload. And until next time, guys.